Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something along the lines of a midweek tidy up. I don't have a lot of things to do throughout the house to technically really clean. I just wanted to kind of do like a real-time pickup with me. I need to vacuum, I need to do my dishwasher, you know, just kind of pick things up here and there and get everything ready for the rest of the week. I need to replenish my toilet paper. I need to clean out Bodhi's dog bowls, just things like that, little things here and there. And I figured I would do this video for you guys to kind of give you a push and some motivation to just get a few things done during the week if you don't have the time or if you don't feel like doing a whole house cleaning routine. I know a lot of people that watch my channel, they do work outside of the home just like I do, and you just don't want to take so many hours to clean during the week. So we're just going to pick up a few things. This is something that I've never done on my channel, which is a real-time clean with me. So what that means is I'm not going to speed anything up. I'm still going to have music playing, but I'm just going to do bits and pieces of my cleaning and tidying up here and there and just give you about 15 or 20 minutes of motivation. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, let me know and I'll be happy to do more videos like this for you guys in the future. But it's currently almost 6 o'clock right now in the afternoon and I just want to put on my pajamas and watch TV. So we're quickly going to get through this and I hope this gives you some motivation. As always, if you do enjoy it, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. All of those things truly help my channel grow and I appreciate you guys so much for that. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. That way we can get done at a decent time.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
So of course I went ahead and started in the kitchen because that is where the majority of the mess was. And I got my dishwasher loaded and hand washed a couple of the barbecue tools that we had used for the holiday. It was just Ruben and I, so we just did smash burgers out on the grill and we had some sides. It was delicious. I hope you guys had an amazing Memorial Day. But I went ahead and hand washed those and took them downstairs and put them back where they belonged. And now I'm just going to wipe down my sink and my countertops. And I also went ahead ahead and switched out my sponge. Now I get mine at the Dollar Tree in a pack of 4, and I usually like to switch that out about every week. So $1 a month for my sponges, that's not, that bad at all. So take this as your sign to go ahead and switch out your sponge or your dishcloth, whatever you guys like to use. But I'm going to go ahead and get all of this stuff wiped down and clean, and then I'm going to move on over to the dining table.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
So for vacuuming on this day, I decided just to do the living room and the kitchen because those were the 2 rooms that needed it the most. And again, I just wanted to work smarter and not harder. The other rooms I will get to on another day. I do try to kind of like break things up throughout the week, and then on the weekends I will do my major whole house cleaning. But this way it does keep everything tidied up and I don't have to spend so much time doing it. So I also wanted to know if you guys enjoy this more relaxing music and the real-time clean with me. Let me know in the comments, and like I said, I can definitely start putting these more in rotation on my channel.
Someone like you to stand by me always, and I dream of a man like you, warm and tender every single day.
So all I'm doing right now is taking some cotton balls and soaking up the old wax in my warmers. It is the easiest way to get those cleaned out, and believe me, they come out perfectly clean. I have seen so many people on YouTube do this, and finally, now that I have my warmers, I can actually try it, and it works so good. So I'm just changing out the scents in my warmers, and I think what I used was Welcome Home, and it smells so stinking good. I'm obsessed. I have showed you guys this stuff on my Instagram, and I cannot be any more excited over these. But now I'm just going to go ahead and move on into my bathroom. The only thing I really needed to do in here was take some Clorox wipes and wipe down my sink and my toilet, and refill my little toilet paper shelf, and go ahead and give my plants in here a spritz. These things are doing so good. I have been taking them outside and giving them like a really good drench, and then let all of that water seep out and let them sit in the sun for a couple of days. One day last week it actually rained almost like all day, just like a light rain, and I set them out on our little sidewalk, and they were the happiest they could be. So they are still chugging along. I'm super proud of myself, but I'm going to go ahead and get all of this stuff in here finished in the bathroom because we are almost done.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh.
All right, you guys, so that took me probably less than 30 minutes, and my whole house smells clean, it looks clean, it is clean, and I didn't have to spend all evening doing it. I'm now able to just change my clothes into my pajamas and rest and relax for the rest of the evening. I hope this video gave you some motivation just to get some things tidied up around your way. If you enjoyed this type of video, let me know by leaving this one a thumbs up. Again, if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to stick around and become a part of my YouTube family. But for right now, I have a couple of Netflix shows that is waiting for me, so I'm gonna go and get busy watching that. But for now, I love you and appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can